Hello.
Ashwati, we have this is Vijayalakshmi here as we spoke, and we have other NRI volunteers on the call. And like I told you, I'll be asking you a few questions. Let's start with your journey with AAP. It seems to be a fascinating journey since you have been associated with Arvind Kejriwal for more than a decade now. So how did you,
Yeah.
you know, I find it very fascinating when people in their 20s and their 30s say that they've already found their calling. And you mentioned that you've already found your calling. Just tell us a little more about that.
Uh, First of all, I'd like to thank you all for getting me on the call. This is the first time I'm probably interacting with a lot of people over there. And hello, a special hi from me to all of you. Uh, yeah, I joined Arvind way back in 2009. So
Okay.
about about my background, I did my mass comm in PG in mass communication. So this was almost like in 2006. After that, I did a couple of years with a magazine and all. So, but I was always socially inclined and wanted to do something in the social sector. And during one of my stories that I was doing, I got a chance to meet Arvind. So back then, CM, he was not the CM then. We had an NGO called as the Public Cost Research Foundation. I'm sure
Right.
you must have heard about that, Hannah?
Yes.
Right.
Yes. Okay.
So that NGO was basically doing research on RTI related activities in India. So I joined there. So we used to work a lot. We used to do analysis. We used to make reports, and there was something called as the RTI Awards concept. So I was very fascinated by it. Okay, the entire thing of working, and he was a Magsaysay awardee back then. And
Okay.
I still remember the day I walked into the room and I saw this, he was sitting there on a computer and laptop, and it was a very small setup of back then. I was
Okay.
expecting something कि मैक्स से अवॉर्डी है, कुछ अच्छा होगा, कुछ बड़ा होगा. But when I walked in, it was a very, मतलब बहुत ही, it was a different feeling altogether. और जिस तरीके
Okay.
से मतलब बात हुई and everything, I just I left my job and I joined Arvind back then. So this was in the year 2009.
Okay.
So
And
that is
since
how I
then,
remember him.
yeah. Okay. So how has the journey been for so long? This seems to be a really long, fascinating journey. How was it risking giving up your career? I know a lot of youngsters have done that. You know, they seem to have all either having promising careers or at the start of a promising career, but they gave it all up to pursue this dream that Arvind Kejriwal had. How has it been for you
Yeah.
and for the others also that you interact with? You know, how's the journey been?
Yeah, so the journey, it has been really wonderful. Even I think मैं उसको describe भी नहीं कर सकती in any number of words. So as I told
Okay.
you, when I joined RTI Awards का माहौल था उस time पे. We used to travel a lot all over the country. मतलब बहुत सारे, we did a lot of conferences, we did a lot of seminars, we went to a lot of other states also. चंडीगढ़ में हमने किया, I went to Arunachal and all. बहुत सारी जगह गए थे हम लोग. Then
Uh-huh.
suddenly this Commonwealth Games and all happened during that time.
Okay. Right.
Okay, so Commonwealth Games में जब भी अखबार उठा के देखते हो, it used to be only कि यहाँ पे इतना corruption है, वहाँ पे उतना corruption है, and lot of things like that. So then that is how, and the CM was working on a draft already, the Swaraj, the Lokpal bill. And
Right.
धीरे धीरे करके तो उस चीज का importance समझ में आने लगा, why we need a Lokpal in the entire system. Okay, so then we started, reworking on the drafts. Then Anna was already there. Then we met a lot of other Prashant Bhushan, and they all came in one by one. Then and the entire India Against Corruption movement was born. फिर उसके बाद what it was all, पूरा मतलब देश एक साथ हो गया. It was a nostalgic event, never ever experienced. उसके बाद then political party बनी. Then we fought elections. Then election one happened, two happened, and then now we are at the third stage. So that is how it has been. It has been a roller coaster ride and a wonderful journey.
Okay, Ashwati, coming back to the present, we were told that you played a big role in the organizing the town hall meetings, which has been an instant hit. I think instant hit
Yeah,
also because for journalists also it was a nice platform to take over, you know. It was almost what they're doing in the
right,
studio. So, you know, so a
right.
ready-made platform for them as well to do their work also. So, tell us a little more about that. How did that happen?
See, town hall concept, this is a system wherein people are there, in a
Uh-huh.
live debate. They can directly ask questions to the CM or the CM representative. यहाँ पे तो
Right.
खैर it is CM. I mean, ऐसे कोई opportunity कभी नहीं हुई है. At least for in context of Delhi, you never imagine, you can walk up to a
ये
CM
पूरे
and ask.
इंडिया में
For
इंडिया
example, like,
इंडिया में भी कहीं इंडिया में ही कहीं नहीं हुआ है यूएसए में इट्स एस्टैब्लिश प्रैक्टिस
कहीं पे
पर
नहीं है.
इंडिया में नहीं हुआ है
Right. So इसीलिए ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा interesting था. So initially,
ओके
when we had started, we did a Lok Sabha wise program, town hall committee meetings. Okay. So
ओके
पहले हम लोग उस तरीके से कर रहे थे, and then we have 7 Lok Sabhas in Delhi for those people who are not initiated. So Lok Sabha wise में we used to call people from that particular Lok Sabha. They used to come, and then they used to ask any questions they can ask, and there used to be a number of questions. कुछ कुछ तो इतने छोटे क्वेश्चन थे कि सर अब मेरा पेंशन नहीं बना,
राइट
so उस तरीके के सवाल भी थे, and then some were in the larger context also, like environment related programs or cleaning of Yamuna. So any questions anyone could ask, at random. So that was the concept about it, and बहुत ही it was very very, very successful, and later on it was like telecasted on a lot of media channels also, and highly
राइट
successful programs they were.
पर ये आइडिया तुम्हें आया कैसे
ये इट वाज नॉट माय ब्रेन चाइल्ड टू बी फ्रैंक. ये हमारे काफी सारी टीम है, कम्युनिकेशन टीम है, देयर वाज आईपैक टीम आल्सो व्हिच वाज वर्किंग. सो
ओके
आइडिया वाज वहां से मतलब आया था, एंड देन वी गॉट इट इम्प्लीमेंटेड इन आवर
ओके
कॉन्टेक्स्ट.
ओके
हाँ.
Okay, Ashwati, we are hearing a lot of accusation again. After Delhi elections, it seemed like we have got back all entire goodwill, and we seem to be flying high again. And suddenly the riots happened, and then again, a lot of criticisms leveled against Kejriwal. Now, you have worked very, very closely. You know him inside out. Tell us what kind of a person he is, because though he has been, he's openly seen in the public, not many people really know the real person. Is he really a dictator that he is accused of being? Is he like, does he give you all scope to discuss things with him? It seems like he's the only person taking the decision like a Modi, and that's an unfair comparison, I feel. But what is your take about this?
I don't. I really don't think he's a dictator. I mean, frankly, not at all. That is the last word that I would like. That would be used to describe him. He's a very
Right.
open person. Anyone, in fact, I have worked closely with him in the close team.
Okay.
So I have seen a number of times where people have just walked in, and we used to have a Janta Darbar. Okay, till recently, till the time the COVID thing happened. So Janta Darbar में anyone with any suggestion could just walk in, and there was a number of times when they would come and say कि भाई मेरे पास ये suggestion है, इस कॉलोनी में ये चीज है, इसमें वो है, and then it used to get implemented. We have had so many success stories there. So I really don't think he's a dictator or anything. He's very open to talk to, and he's a very nice person in that sense.
ओके और एक बड़ा एक्यूजेशन ये है कि ही यूज्ड वी हैव नोन हिम एज अ फेयर ब्लंट लीडर हु डजंट मिंस हिज वर्ड्स एट ऑल ओपनली क्रिटिकल ऑफ द सेंटर एंड ऑल दैट ओके और अब ऐसे लगता है कि ही हैज जंप टू द अदर एक्सट्रीम लाइक टोटली डोसाइल हो चुके हैं पर दिस कुड
No,
आई
but
फील
why?
Right. So I feel it could be a party strategy for now, but what is your take about that? Because तुम्हें भी ये बहुत सारा सुनने मिला होगा कि ये ऐसे क्यों हो गए या बिक गए या घुटने टेक दिए all this
नहीं,
kind of
मतलब
nonsense.
कहाँ, मतलब क्या हुआ है, मतलब could you give me one example जहाँ पे कुछ हुआ है? I mean, accusations तो
Uh,
ऐसे बहुत सारी चीजें बोलते हैं, but
एक तो
substance to
एक
it,
तो
right?
एक तो राइट्स के वक्त साइलेंस शाहीन बाग के वक्त साइलेंस एंड again now with the COVID-19 preparations like saying oh center did this and Modi did this और मोदी जी के साथ हमें ये करना है
No,
so a
I
lot
mean
of people are
CM,
looking
our CM
reading into it yeah
नहीं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. इनफैक्ट जो हमारे सीएम है ना, he is one of the most proactive CMs in the entire country these days. If you see, our has all a press conference every other day. okay, जहाँ पे वो
Right.
openly सारी figures, facts, everything, you know, he repeats. Okay, और जहाँ
Right.
तक riots की बात है ना, मतलब दिल्ली ने कभी इस तरीके का कभी देखा नहीं था,
Right.
right? पहली बार इस तरीके से था, and it was अभी नहीं, मे बी लाइक आफ्टर 6-7 months और समथिंग विल रियलाइज कि भाई काम रहने में ही मतलब फायदा था, प्रोवोक करके और वो करके नीचे नीचे से हमने खूब सारे रिलीफ एक्टिविटीज किए हैं, जैसे वी हैड अ लॉट ऑफ शेल्टर होम दैट वी वर डन, लोगों को खाना खिलाया है, कॉम्पनसेशन वन ऑफ द मतलब फास्टेस्ट कॉम्पनसेशन हमने दिलाए हैं, सो आई एम सेइंग दैट देयर वाज लॉट ऑफ रिलीफ वर्क दैट वाज डन इवन राइट नाउ ड्यूरिंग द कोविड टाइम, यहाँ पे बहुत ही सीरियस कंडीशन है, राइट? So Delhi has मतलब in numbers, in terms of numbers काफी ज्यादा मतलब हमारे कोविड के केसेस हैं, but that is because like you know Delhi is the capital, we had a lot of foreign travelers over there, and then the Markaz thing also happened. दिल्ली के indigenous cases कम है, but then the kind of relief work, I don't know if you guys have come across anything, but we have for example you know जो ration beneficiaries हैं, PDS beneficiaries, so almost like 71 lakh people who have ration cards have received the ration already. 7.5 kilos of ration already that has been done. Similarly,
Right.
we have those people who don't have ration cards. We have received applications from almost 31 lakh such people. So उसमें भी हमने 3 to 4 lakh people have already started giving rations to them also. और इसके अलावा like pensions जो है ना, we have doubled the pension amounts. So
Right.
almost 8 lakh people, old age people, मतलब disabled people, they have all received, you know, almost 8 lakh people have received 5,000 rupees. So
Right.
similarly, construction workers के लिए खूब सारा हमने किया है. There are around 40,000 construction workers जिनका जो don't even stay in मतलब Delhi, but they are registered in Delhi. So उनको हमने दिया है. Night shelters में there are around 20,000 migrant workers who are staying. उनका खाना पीना. अच्छा, that reminds me, जो दिल्ली में खाना जो बढ़ता है, the cooked food. Okay,
Right.
so we have around 2,000 plus food centers. जिसमें
Right.
we are in daily, you know, lunch and dinner combined, we're you know feeding around 20 lakh people in a day.
Right.
So that's a
Right.
humongous thing. और ये सब चीजें मतलब काफी चीजें हम लोग कोशिश भी करते हैं, बट काफी चीजें बोलने की भी नहीं है. अंदर ही अंदर हम लोग काफी काम कर रहे हैं. So it
Right.
is
You know
wrong to
what,
say
Ashwati?
कि
Ashwati, no, the thing is, you know, work we have never been criticized about. But ये है कि
right.
silent क्यों है, चुप क्यों है, हमारी क्या, हम like the Muslim,
That's what I'm
हमारे
saying.
भी हम
CM has been
हमारे हम
doing.
volunteers also
CM
also feel कि you know क्यों चुप हैं, हमारा दुख दर्द समझते नहीं है क्या? What went on in his mind? You must have seen him on a day-to-day basis, right? What it must have been absolutely painful for him also to keep quiet, because he's not the kind who will keep quiet.
No, but he was
Going on
he
there.
was never quiet. He was
Okay.
never quiet. I mean, today also he is doing press conferences every other day. Okay,
Right.
क्योंकि लोगों के बहुत सारे सवाल हैं. You know, as a leader, CM has to mitigate those. So every other day we have a press conference. Every other day we have at least 4 to 5 press releases that go. We are trying to
Right.
communicate from our end. It was never the case that you know our CM was silent on in मतलब जहाँ पे भी necessary है. So he was never silent on those issues.
Okay. Okay, Ashwanti, we have other callers on the call. Let's take a few calls. Does anybody have a question?
Hello, this is Dr.
Yes,
Deva.
sir.
My question is, so since you are with him and also a very good team from years and years, some of the people even left. But how, because when we are doing something good and we are clean, and it's hard to stay clean, even media is with the BJP or like that. How you were able to keep yourself away from the allegations, all those things? That's my question.
See,
Ashwati?
it's all about like the leadership. Yeah, hi. Yeah, I can hear you. I'm saying that it's all about the leadership. Okay. So
Right.
Yeah.
working closely with the CM, with the deputy CM, with the other set of ministers, I mean, there is a big differentiating factor. The other parties that you mentioned, like BJP and the Congress, we are not typical politicians, right? Our route was not politics. Our route was grassroots level activism.
Right.
That has been the core of our. That is the metal, right? That is what we are made of. So that is the thing, frankly, I mean, lot of accusations are there. In fact, just imagine, matlab, the kind of struggle that we have seen. Delhi is a UT. बेसिकली,
Right.
है ना. बहुत सारी दिक्कतें हैं. देयर इज अ इंटरनल काइंड ऑफ अ इशू फ्रॉम द ब्यूरोक्रेट्स एंड ऑल. बाहर से भी
Right.
प्रेशर्स हैं, है ना. बट देन यू नो आवर इट इज नॉट, पॉलिटिक्स इज नॉट इन, ऐसे कोई वो नहीं है कि भाई ग्रास, हमारे जो एथिक्स हैं, जो अंदरूनी जो चीजें होती है ना, दे हैव अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग फैक्टर टू प्ले. ओके, सो दैट मेक्स अ ह्यूज डिफरेंस. वी हैव सीन, यू नो, लोगों का दुख होता है, लोगों का दर्द होता है, वो देखा है. आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर, यू नो, सुंदर नगरी डेज. ओके, हम लोग वहां जाते थे, वहां पे लोगों के आंखों में दिखता था द काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स दे आर फेसिंग. उसके बाद तो दैट इज व्हाट वी हैव, दैट इज द एक्सपीरियंस दैट वी हैव गेन्ड.
Right.
तो उसके बाद
I
तो
think
कोई आई डोंट, मतलब नहीं कर सकता.
Right. I think it's extremely, a huge plus point for us that we have managed to stay clean despite all the pressures. When other parties, though, even if they start
And
out well, they don't end well. We are still
they
we are
don't
still
end well,
managed to
and
keep
हमारे
clean.
we are very careful also, even in terms of donations say. Okay, it would
Right.
have been very easy, you know, कि भाई donations ले लिए या कुछ कर दिया. We are very careful in that respect, you know.
Right.
So that is the thing. Public
Okay.
से fund आता है. It is not from the corporates. Lot of things. And finally, I think it is Arvind, CM, who matters a lot.
Right.
Oh, that's great.
Okay.
That's great. We really salute. That's basically the core values.
The core values are
Basically,
intact.
yeah. Because that's very important to. The quality matters, not the quantity. Yeah, that's great.
Right.
But if you look at CM's life journey also, no, he was there. He was, मतलब जब he was into, he got into IRS, right? He had no reason to leave IRS and come into the social
Yeah.
sector. That is the calling
Yeah.
that he had in life. He went Mother Teresa वहाँ पे गए, you know, and he went. उनके life, that is a true journey. मतलब जब उनसे बात करते हो ना, he has that inside him. So
Right.
that can't be compromised, है ना?
Right. Okay. Do we have any more questions?
Hi, this is Mansi. So I'll continue with the question. Basically, you mentioned that there are a lot of success stories that have come out of these dialogues that you have. Can you give us a few examples?
नहीं, ऐसे बहुत सारे छोटे बड़े हैं. I mean, it is not just one that can be said, है ना?
You know,
So
कुछ
people have,
याद होगा.
हाँ, people have, क्या, hello?
या कुछ तुम्हें बहुत ज्यादा छू गया होगा कि यार ये पब्लिक से आया है and we did a fantastic job of it.
बहुत सारी केसेस हैं ऐसे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिल्ली में ना, देयर वाज अ टाइम व्हेन जेजे क्लस्टर्स वर बीइंग डेमोलिश्ड. ओके, मतलब काफी सारे जेजे क्लस्टर्स थे. सो मतलब दे यूज्ड टू कम, काफी सारी, मतलब ऐसी काफी सारी झुग्गियां थी. वो आते थे एंड देयर आर टाइम्स पर हाथों हाथ रुकवाया है, झुग्गियां टूटने से रुकवाया है. वी हैव गॉट देम ट्रांसफर्ड टू द नियरेस्ट ट्रांजिट सेंटर्स. सिमिलरली पानी की लाइनें काफी जगह नहीं थी. ओके, बिफोर सीएम, तो पानी की लाइनें ऑन बेस्ड ऑन द जनता संवाद, जब लोग आए, दे हैव मेंशन्ड कि भाई हमारे यहाँ पे पानी का कनेक्शन नहीं है, एंड सीएम फील्स कि भाई सबके यहाँ पे पानी का कनेक्शन तो होना ही चाहिए. लॉट ऑफ पाइपलाइंस हैव बीन, यू नो, वहाँ पे उन्होंने बिछाई हैं जस्ट बिकॉज कि वो लोग आए, उन्होंने कंप्लेंट की. RWAs यूज्ड टू कम. सिमिलरली लॉट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम्स वर देयर, दे वर सॉर्टेड. बहुत सारी, एक्चुअली हम लोगों को ये बहुत ही छोटी प्रॉब्लम्स लगती हैं टू हियर, नो, कि भाई किसी का पानी, किसी का ये सब चीजें. बट व्हेन यू थिंक ऑफ इट, जो लोग उसको कर रहे हैं, सफाई की प्रॉब्लम है फॉर एग्जांपल, देयर वर लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स की सफाई नहीं है, नालियां नहीं है, मतलब अनऑथराइज कॉलोनी की लिस्ट में जैसे काम जो होता था ना, लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स वहां पे बहुत ना, वहां पे सीवर था ना, वहां पे पानी का कनेक्शन था, नथिंग वाज देयर. तो इस यहाँ पे जितने भी लोग आए हैं, काफी जगह हमने सीवर का कनेक्शन, पानी का कनेक्शन सब डलवाया है. So they are all in, you know, big things in itself.
Okay, Ashwati, since you brought this up, you know what, because of the hamara na, we were focused on good work, and Arvind Kejriwal has made a fresh set of promises that he plans to keep for the next 5 years.
Right.
Because of the riots और ये COVID-19 preparations की वजह से there's a spanner now, सारा काम रुक गया होगा. Can you give us a little insight on that? कि काम चल रहा है, रुक गया है?
देखो, for the past 1 month since like all the government offices have also been on a this thing, है ना, shut है. तो इसलिए काफी जो हमारे key projects थे, थोड़ा बहुत उसमें डिले तो है. ओके, फ्रैंकली. बट सिमिलरली बजट्स वगैरह भी अभी रुके हुए हैं बिकॉज सीएम हैज सेड दैट ओनली कोविड रिलेटेड स्पेंडिंग वुड बी डन टिल द टाइम द लॉकडाउन इज देयर. So obviously there's a small setback in that respect. हमारे tax collection थोड़े से कम हो गए हैं because no one is out there. But ठीक है, मतलब 3-4 महीने का बात है, and then after that I'm pretty sure we'll catch up with that also.
Okay, Ashwati, there's also the crop problem. Yesterday, NDTV chief Pranay Roy tweeted that crop burning will start soon, or that because it affects the lungs the most, that could be a problem. Has there been any discussion on that?
Crop burning actually last year also we have been in talks with the respective governments वहाँ पे to try to center से भी हम लोग खूब बात करते हैं कि भाई क्रॉप बर्निंग को रोका जाए किस तरीके से, बट मतलब बहुत सक्सेस तो होता नहीं है वहाँ से. द थिंग इज कि हम लोग फिर क्या करते हैं कि दिल्ली वी मेक सम मेजर्स इन दिल्ली, टेक सम मेजर्स इन दिल्ली, जिससे हम लोग काफी उसको कर लेते हैं. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल वी डिड दैट ऑड इवन थिंग जो दिल्ली के इंट्रिंसिक मतलब हम लोग कर सकते हैं. So similarly, masks were distributed. There were a lot of things that we are doing, and this time, we are planning to do a mass plantation drive, for example, say, right? So ये सारी चीजें हम लोग करेंगे because हम and as far as other states are concerned, we're constantly in dialogue with them. कि पंजाब से भी हम लोग खूब बात करते हैं. We talk to Haryana and neighboring states also. We talk to the centers also. But वही है कि भाई they are not the same party and some political unfortunately or fortunately political थोड़ा चलता है वहाँ पे. So that is a sad thing. But उनका तो हम कुछ कर नहीं सकते. But we do it at our end. A lot of things that we do at our end.
Right. Okay. Do we have any more questions?
Yeah, Vijay.
Arun. Arun, go ahead.
Yeah, my question is, I don't know, many people, I've seen many videos and many reports of, this lockdown and the advantages actually, pollution
really?
has gone down drastically.
Yes.
Environment is like magic, like some people could see the Himalayas and a lot of things, So,
yes.
Is it feasible?
Actually, that is true. Actually, a lot of things is true.
Yeah. Is it feasible to do this even for 1 day or 2 days in a year planned and reap the advantages? It is pushback, the ozone layer is getting better. Everything is happening.
Yeah, but 1 and 2 days in a year, do you think that will make a difference?
No, I'm saying, is it feasible? Think into it, I'm not saying do it.
No, point is whether that 1 day will make a difference. Even if we think about it, just 1 day difference won't be there. Won't make that much of a difference.
And moreover, ultimately, it is it is we as people or citizens who are responsible for this, na? So the government can impose restrictions on you. They can say कि भाई odd even है, तुम लोग बाहर मत जाओ. They can say कि भाई यमुना है, don't pollute Yamuna. But ultimately, it is people like you and me, है ना, who has to like हमारी जो basic चीजें हैं, कितने लोग यमुना में जाके कूड़ा डालते हैं, for example, right? So there are कितने लोग plants, मतलब हम plantation drive करेंगे. People do, पिछली बार किया था, a lot of people came forward, a lot of people did not come forward. So ultimately, it is people like you and me who can make a difference as far as environmental changes are concerned. So we are also equally responsible apart from the government. So government भी अपना कर रही है, and we also have to do our bit.
What I'm saying
and
is, can it be a planned thing?
And moreover, we are planning. Yeah. And moreover,
can it be a planned thing? Once or twice in a year, shut down all traffic. All those polluting people.
Arun, that may not be a feasible decision at all. And let's see. I mean, the world has to refocus now. There was another question.
The world has to refocus. I totally agree.
Yeah. There was another question coming. I cut that person off. Who's that?
This is, my name is Uma. Can I ask the question?
Yes, of course, Uma. Go ahead.
Yeah. Hi. So I have a question regarding like the image of the party at the moment. So since the riots, thanks to like Congress's IT cell and people sort of thinking that is not a politically motivated thing, somehow like the narrative that AAP is Islamophobic has become almost like an accepted thing. I mean, people now start the conversation by saying, "Par aap to Islamophobic hai," like as if that's an accepted fact. And this has happened over like 1.5 month. I mean, not even like probably lesser than that. So I just wanted to ask if there is anything that anything that is being deliberately to sort of counter that image. Because I know that there's a lot of work that has happened on the ground in terms of relief and stuff, and people on the ground would have got a lot of relief out of it. But like on the internet, like these people have like entirely made this falsehood into a reality that app is somehow
I'm sorry, I'm missing your name.
my
Uma.
Uma. Yeah, Uma, I would just like to say that, matlab election ke time pe bhi, when Delhi elections were due, the other parties, BJP and Congress, unhone सारी चीजें अपनाई, ठीक है? To do the dirty tricks department was there. But a lot of communalization, they were trying to polarize. It's the first time we, in our lifetime, I can say that, personally, कि मैंने देखा है इतना मतलब लोगों को मतलब छोटे छोटे गलियों में जाके the typical way that they work, मतलब छोटे छोटे जाके they are trying to false videos वगैरह circulate करते हैं within small areas, small groups and all.
Right.
But I'm telling you कि people in Delhi, they still voted for AAP, okay? 62 हमारे seats आए.
Right.
ठीक है, ये बस इट्स अ टाइम, हाँ इट इज अ टाइम दैट लोगों को समझ में आने लगा है धीरे धीरे सही मतलब काम बोलता है, ठीक है? वी शुड नॉट एंटेंगल इन आवरसेल्व्स आल्सो इनटू द एंटायर मेस कि भाई देखो बीजेपी वाले इस तरीके से कर रहे हैं या ये उस तरीके से कर रहे हैं कि हमको इस्लामोफोबिक बोल रहे हैं. So we should, I would like to, if I was there in your place, I would like to counter them with facts and figures कि भाई हमने काम किया है और काम कर रहे हैं. Just imagine, I would like to, जैसे अभी कोविड का टाइम है, okay? स्कूल सारे बंद हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल. आई डोंट नो इफ यू गाइज नो अबाउट दिस इनिशिएटिव. डेप्यूटी हम लोगों ने ऑनलाइन क्लासेस शुरू कर दी फॉर 12th हाँ स्टूडेंट्स. ये पूरे देश में बीजेपी, नॉन बीजेपी, कांग्रेस कहीं पे नहीं हुआ.
Ashwati,
why not focus on good work?
Yeah, Ashwati, Uma knows about the good work, and so do all of us. The thing is about the image. You have been in the communications department, and you know from the field, and you know how bad the image. People, it's so easy for people to dismiss our work and just focus on the image. And I just want to know, I think Uma wants to know, and Uma, you need to introduce.
That's what I'm trying to.
You're from.
That is the point that I'm trying to make. That is the point I'm trying to make. That
Okay.
ये same चीज हमारे साथ हुई थी. I mean, riots में it took prominence. Okay, during the elections also this was a game plan. पूरा उन्होंने हर जगह, especially the Muslim states and all, they tried to polarize like anything. Okay, there were internal campaigns चल रहे थे, internal circulations हो रहे थे, but still people voted for us. So that means that, our image is that of development. It is not of being an Islamophobic or anything. On ground, people want work. That is precisely what I'm trying to tell you. And elections are not like, एक साल पहले के elections नहीं है. I'm talking about 2 months back, 3 months back probably.
Exactly.
So it is not, this is a phase that will go away.
Right. Okay.
Yeah, I hope that it goes away, because I feel like it just seems to be getting strengthened over time, and now almost every action is just being seen from that particular lens. So even like the smallest, thing that could be somehow interpreted as Islamophobic is being, अरे ये तो Islamophobic से पता ही था, like why do you even doubt that? Like it's that kind of a conversation which is happening, and I just like hope that that is sort of nipped in the bud before it becomes like a thing that 2 years later we are just saying that, oh, but don't you know that AAP is Islamophobic? I hope that it isn't allowed to continue, because like on the internet this I see as a big problem, especially because like people who are sort of right wing and who are BJP supporters, they weren't going to be supporters anyway, but like the people who are against BJP and who are against sort of fascist ideology, they have been split into now this two split into like factions which are pro-AAP and anti-AAP, and the anti-AAP people are mainly sort of like driven by this thought that nahi, but AAP is Islamophobic, and they have soft
Uma, I'm sure Ashwati is aware of it, but I think what she's trying to say is that the reality on ground is very different. But Ashwati, I have this doubt, this was before the riots, that people still trusted us, voted us on our work. But because of that, the Muslims, the areas which were lit up, which were burned down, they were accused of voting for our good work, and they were criticized for all that. And now they fear for their lives. So they, I know a lot of sentiments have happening that, oh, if we had voted to BJP for BJP, at least our lives would have been safe. How do you counter something like that? You must have gone after the riots. You must have
Yeah,
stepped out with Arvind Kejriwal
I
and
don't
others
think that
also.
is the case.
Okay.
I really don't think that is the case. Yeah.
Okay.
ग्राउंड
So,
में जिस तरीके से हमने रिलीफ का किया है, people
okay.
from all communities have benefited. It is not just one particular community or other. मतलब ऐसे कुछ भी नहीं है. People from all communities, all setas have, and on ground इस तरीके से है नहीं. I mean, the kind of image that is being built on internet could be different,
Okay.
but on
Okay.
ground it is nothing of that sort.
Hi,
This
it's
is
Pulkit
Dr.
here, and
Garewal.
I have a question for Ashwati. You have
Yes,
been with
Pulkit.
Arvind for 10 plus years or so, right? You have
Yeah.
seen the
Yeah.
change within the app and everything. And all of the people who are on this call are usually supporters or volunteers. So I would like to hear from you. What are the changes that you have seen within app over the 10 years? Are you satisfied? What you feel are the shortcomings? And where you see these things moving forward? And what these peoples on the call can do? So if you can shed some light on that, and especially how's your journey have been through, because there must be a point where you decided, okay, you will be doing this full time, and when that happened and how it happened.
Right. See, as I told you, I joined the CM when he was not the CM. He was we used to do RTI, right? Manish ji and Arvind ji. So they were the two people who were there that time. Kabir tha, Manish ji ka, and CM ka PCRF tha. Okay, that was the time हम लोग as an NGO we used to work, and that used to be like corruption के खिलाफ हम लोग लड़ते थे. And then similarly when हम लोगों ने इंडिया अगेंस्ट करप्शन मूवमेंट किया, we made the लोकपाल बिल. अगेन हम लोग करप्शन का लड़ते थे, बट दैट वाज फ्रॉम द व्यू ऑफ एन आंदोलन. Okay, then फिर we became a political party. So that time, tackling corruption was from a different point of view, and now that we're in a government, so I mean that has been the most interesting thing. That is my personal experience that I have gained from the entire thing. कि किस तरीके से एक चीज को हम लोग देखते हैं डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव से और अलग अलग चीजों से. एंड एज फार एज सेटिस्फैक्शन इज कंसर्न, आई एम लाइक मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि that God has given me this opportunity, everyone around me has given this opportunity कि भाई कुछ हुआ है. And in my lifetime to see such a change was impossible if not for this opportunity for me. तो बहुत सारी चीजें हैं इसमें.
Okay.
Yeah, that one thing is for some time what happened with the propaganda or all those things. I would like to give a little bit of add up to that. The person who's on a steering, the driver, he know the way to maneuver, that way to change the direction or like that. And sometimes we are sitting in the passenger seat, we are a little bit shaky, that's happening to all of us. But we are with the thing is the result of even the COVID-19. If you see the number of deaths, you can see how the medical or whatever the hospitals or all those, they are playing a role. If you see in all states, the death rate is lower in Delhi, being a higher number of cases than any other state.
Right.
I was comparing yesterday, even they are very close to Canada or even better than the US. So that's the end result will be the people will, when the people will get the food, even the Muslims or any other ethnicity or like that, once they got the relief or somebody was saved in that facility, will realize that this is like the work for everybody. I think I have no doubt things will, whatever the mud they're gonna put on us, they're not gonna stick.
That's great. That's great.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi Vijay, this is Sachin from. Thanks. Ashwati, I also have a question. Rather, it's a same question. I would like to reframe it. The same question which Uma has asked. Can you, because you have been with this journey with Arvind since 10 years, even more. What do you think? Why Mr. Modi, despite of because I've been following many leaders. So my question is that why despite of doing a lot of good work and hard effort done by Arvind, still the people's perception is that Modi is doing a lot of good thing, and that
Right.
is a
So
ground reality. I being a volunteer, I really want to know that what all is happening. Why do people still believe that Modi ji is doing a lot of good work and other state leaders are not very close to him? Why this perception is on ground?
Okay, Ashwati, I would like to rephrase that a little. Whether Modi gets credit or not, that's really none of our business. But we should make sure that we get the credit for what we are doing, because we are really
Exactly.
doing
Exactly.
phenomenally good work. Which as again as a communications person, we really need to have a really hardcore strategy in place to make sure our work is known. What do you feel about this?
Right, I totally agree with you. I mean, our communication part has been a bit weak only on that front, but we're trying
Okay.
to rework the entire strategy. You must have seen in the past 5-6 months towards the election, थोड़ा बहुत हमने improve करने की कोशिश की है. Must have seen a lot of things that came, lot of videos, lot of good work, lot of communication from the communication point of view. But I would
Right.
like to ask for help also. If you have any good ideas or anything that you like to reach out to us about, I mean, we'd be most happy. And I totally agree that we have been a little weak on that part, communication part. हम लोग काम करने में रह गए पूरे 5 साल, एक छोटे छोटे काम करने में रह गए, and we never thought कि हमें भी इतना कुछ करना चाहिए.
Even now, the COVID-19 cases, I feel Delhi is working much more harder, but it's Kerala government which is getting
Delhi
the
is
credit.
no. See, I must confess that Kerala government is also doing a lot of work.
Yeah, but Kerala
Okay.
government also
So
has the advantage of having a large number of educated people in that state, right? So I think they themselves
Kerala
are very
government में
alert.
ये था. I was just studying the Kerala model also a couple of days back. So
Okay.
Kerala में they had the benefit, like last year they had the floods and the
Right.
Nipah virus outbreak that they had. So
Right.
what they did was they have an entire plan which is already there in motion. Okay, so उन्होंने अपने सारे SOPs, अपने सारे ground work, सब कुछ उन्होंने already बना के रखा था. All the IT related communication, everything was pre-ready because दो incident उनके साथ हो चुके हैं. Nipah virus में भी lot of people had died, medical वाली problem थी, and then during the floods also, in floods relief work, उनका relief work is बहुत अच्छा उनका system है. Relief work I was just studying. So that is why they were much prepared for the COVID outbreak. उनके सारे hospitals were in place, all the PPE kits, कैसे करना है, क्या करना है, SOPs were there, कौन से hospital को declare करना है, कौन से को नहीं करना है, किस district में क्या होगा, how is the food going to be distributed, everything. They had a plan for everything because they had already gone through the same cycle in previous outbreak also. So
Right.
in that sense, Delhi का ये नया था, and Delhi में ये था कि we have been proactive. Like हमने lockdown जो है, we announced lockdown before the central government did, but उन्होंने भी announce कर दिया तो it got prolonged basically. But हमने भी मतलब काफी दिन पहले ही कर दिया था. Those people who were coming from abroad, we had started making procedures and all immediately. और मरकज वाले केस में भी हमने proactively जितने लोग थे, there were around 2,000 people who were 2,500 if I'm not wrong. I might be wrong on the figures. They who were evacuated from the building. ये सारे issues ना दिल्ली में हुए हैं, which is unique to Delhi, which is not there in any other country, any other state. Even despite all these, Delhi has fared better because हमारा medical infrastructure, mohalla clinic, everything was in place to some extent. So
Right.
that is the thing.
Okay.
Actually,
Okay,
one question on environment, the pollution thing. According to me, I see that pollution and environment problem has 3 dimensions. One is a political will for the solution. Second is the behavior of the people, and third important dimension is actually innovation and the scientific approach to that problem. So I would really
Right.
actually want to know what DDC is doing in that innovation area, how we are engaging with different technologists, or what are the initiatives taken.
Right. So, you must be happy to know that, this term, environment is going to be one of our key issues. Okay.
Yeah.
So, environment में, जैसे you said कि there are multiple prolonged things. हम लोग बहुत सारे हमारे plans हैं अभी, which is obviously we have to build the entire plan because अब COVID हो गया, riots हो गए, इससे वो रुका हुआ है. But we have an electric vehicle policy that was passed. उसको हम लोग implement कराएंगे अच्छे से. That is one thing. plantation, mega plantation drive is another thing that is going to be there. Roadside basically जितने वो हैं, Yamuna rejuvenation का plan is there already in place, because CM in the last term also हमने खूब सारे ये what do you call that, the industries and all ना, जो क्या बोलते हैं, hello, e-waste, yeah, a lot of these things, plants, the plants and all were already in, we have already pushed the files in motion. तो वो सारी चीजें होंगी. यमुना क्लीनिंग का है हमारा मेजर, एयर पोल्यूशन का हमारा पूरा 0.5, there is a elaborate action plan that is being made. There are a lot of, as part of DDC में we are making a task force also, जो कि सारे चीजों को consider करेगी. तो ये सारी चीजें हैं. Electric vehicle policy is one important thing that is going to be implemented now once the entire thing is lifted and things are settled.
क्या हमारा ऐसा भी कोई इनिशिएटिव होता है कि हम जिसमें टेक्नोलॉजिस्ट जो नए रिसर्च कर रहे हैं 10, 15, 50 रिसर्चर्स को एंगेज करें? We welcome all those, there are a lot of, we as part of DDC we are in touch with a lot of technocrats. We would like to be in touch with a lot of companies who are doing, not only in India, across the globe, कुछ भी अच्छे ideas हो, we would like you to come across to us. And we would be very happy to know your plan, know the proposal, and take it forward. So we have a task force also which is there, which is still in paperwork mein hai. So you can submit your proposals and all to that. And apart from that, we are going to consultants जो हैं, जो environment consultants हैं, we're going to take them on board also for the entire project. So that is going to happen for sure.
Okay, Ashwati, since environment issues came up, I would also like to suggest, which I've suggested to Saurabh Bhardwaj and others also, that it's time we push our party as the first green party in the country. I think because it's gaining traction in Europe, since we are already doing the work, we don't even have to do some extra marketing for that. We are already doing the work.
Right.
Yes. Does anybody have any questions?
Vijay, I have a question.
Yes, go ahead,
Vishnu. So I think we have had a few people from the Delhi government on these calls, and I think it's fair to say that everybody so far has been very impressive, very focused, and also experts in their topics. But when you guys meet your counterparts in other governments, are they as skilled and motivated in their jobs, or are they just sons and daughters of politicians?
Sorry, I didn't get the question.
Yeah, Ashwati, what he's trying to say that since our party is full of educated people, but other parties do not have that many educated people, how do you
asking when you meet a counterpart, like the same person who's doing your job in a different government, you must be meeting them in conferences. Right. Are they of the similar, motivated, enthusiastic experts like you guys are, or are they just sons and daughters of politicians?
Right.
See, there are all kinds of people, all across. So it's very hard to say कि भाई कोई sons and politicians हैं. You meet all kinds of people over there, है ना? So it won't be fair for me to talk on their behalf.
Okay, Ashwati, tell us what because Delhi is not a full state, what are the major problems that you've encountered? We know already some of them, but since you guys are working with the Delhi government as well as the party leaders, what is the problems you have encountered? One of the major problems which I feel, of the major problem that I feel, I personally feel is that, services is not under us. Right. Okay. So, क्या होता है ना, like, in other governments, services and police, okay, and the land. ये तीन चीजें बहुत ही की होती हैं for any government. Okay, अगर मान लीजिए if you have given some task to some, अभी तो there are bureaucrats who are good, but imagine bureaucrats not listening to you or listening to the other authorities in the center. So then what will happen? Many of our projects were stalled because of that. हमारे जो communication ad campaigns हैं, काफी time उस पे भी दिक्कत हुई है. हमारे बहुत की मोहल्ला clinics में, जैसे for example, we wanted land. Okay, hello. Right. We are on the call.
Hello. Am I audible? Yeah. So I'm saying, एक तो services हमारे पास नहीं है, so we don't have transfer posting. The accountability is far more lesser. Okay. एक वो चीज है. Second चीज है कि the Delhi police doesn't report to us. If crime is one of the biggest things in Delhi, right? कि crime अगर कहीं पे कुछ भी दिक्कत आती है, police is not under us, right? चाहे वो murder अगर किसी का हुआ, किसी का law and order problem है, so that is another major issue. Third thing, major issue which I feel is the land. Like for example, mohalla clinics we wanted to open, मतलब एक हर ward में we wanted to have adequate number of mohalla clinics. That file was roaming here and there only because land हमारे पास नहीं है. I mean, how do you open a mohalla clinic without having land? तो उसके permissions इतने ज़्यादा stall हुए. So that was another issue. 3-4 issues that I feel that is a problem there.
Okay, I think lack of police we really sorely missed during the riots, right? I mean, that was the worst possible time.
Lack of police, they are not answerable to us. They are not answerable to us. कैसे मतलब उसको tackle करें? It is not only see riot हुआ is an unfortunate thing, but day to day आप imagine कीजिए, like there is a family that comes to us and says that मेरे साथ गलत काम हुआ, okay? तो हमारे पास क्या power है उसको बोलने की कि भाई इसको investigate करो, कुछ करो? We don't have any such powers.
Okay.
So, or crime and everything is a big problem in Delhi.
Okay. What about the matter is now with the Supreme Court. So, do you know what is the latest there? What is the Supreme Court doing it? I know it's sitting over it, but any further?
अभी कुछ ज़्यादा progress है नहीं. अभी ज़्यादा progress है नहीं in that respect. So we are hoping कि जल्दी कुछ sort out होगा.
Okay. Do we have any more questions?
This is Mohammed Azam from New York City.
Yes, please go ahead.
Go ahead. Let me introduce myself. I mean, I have been with AAP for over 9 years. My younger sister, Dr. Iram Yunus, she's the one who brought me into this. She is like the core volunteer from the day one. I mean, she's not part of politics anymore, but anyway. And for last 9 years, I mean, we have been like active volunteers along with the family all over in Delhi. Okay. And the difference I feel in last 6 months, हम लोगों ने कभी ऐसा नहीं कहा कि भाई जैसे अमूमन दूसरी पार्टीज में होता है जब टिकट का बंटवारा होता है या जब डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ पावर होता है, इतने ब्राह्मण्स होंगे, इतने दलित होंगे, इतने मुस्लिम्स होंगे, कई बार लोगों ने जिक्र भी किया इसका, तो कभी हम लोगों ने कहा नहीं भाई ये बहुत ही न्यूट्रलाइज पार्टी है एंड वी डोंट वांट टू इवन ब्रिंग दैट स्टफ इन द कन्वर्सेशन. फिर अचानक पार्लियामेंट इलेक्शन हुए. पार्लियामेंट इलेक्शन के बाद में सिर्फ 3 सवाल हैं, एक से जुड़ के एक तीनों, तो एक बार मैं फिनिश कर लूँ तो फिर जाऊँ. तो पहली चीज जब शुरू हुई, वेयर इट स्टार्ट, जब हमारे साहब ने बोला कि मुसलमान हमें वोट नहीं देते या मुसलमानों ने हमें वोट नहीं दिया, तो उन्होंने कहा कि मुसलमानों ने हमें वोट नहीं दिया. तो मतलब नरेंद्र मोदी या डोनाल्ड ट्रंप या दुनिया के और भी तमाम इस तरह के लीडर्स हैं, कभी वो भी इस तरह का कोई कन्वर्सेशन, कोई डायलॉग उनके मुंह से नहीं सुना गया कि मुसलमान.
I would like you to come to the point. बाकी कुछ हो रहा है वो तो हमें सब पता ही है, but come to the point. आपका सवाल क्या है?
मैं उसी पॉइंट पे आ रहा हूँ. फिर दूसरी बात होती है जब दिल्ली में कम्युनल राइट्स हुए. डेफिनेटली दिल्ली पुलिस हमारे हाथ में नहीं है, लेकिन ऐसा कौन सा पॉलिटिशियन होगा कि जब राइट्स हो रहे हो, being a chief minister of Delhi, you need to knock the door of the LG or need to knock the door of the home minister rather sitting on Rajpath. गांधी जी ने कभी नहीं कहा होगा कि दंगे के टाइम आप जाकर के वहाँ शांतिवन में बैठे जाकर के. ये मेरा दूसरा सवाल है.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हाँ,
और आखिरी सवाल ये है जो कि अभी इस वक्त जो कोविड-19 से रिलेटेड है कि 23 मार्च से लेकर के 30 मार्च तक लगातार लेटर्स भेजने के बावजूद उनको 31 को इवैक्यूएट किया गया और 14 तारीख को केजरीवाल साहब का बयान टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया में अगर नहीं आपके पास है मैं शेयर करना चाहूंगा, जिसमें उन्होंने कहा दिल्ली में कोरोना फैलने की जिम्मेदारी तबलीगी जमात के लोगों की है. ये किस तरह के सवाल है? मतलब एक के बाद एक इस तरह के. तो हम लोग कोर वॉलंटियर जिन्होंने
ओके सवाल आपके आगे. अश्वती, quickly if you want to, in short, you've already spoken about this. I already asked you about it quickly, but do you want to address this concern, because this is the concern of a lot of my Muslim guys in our party.
नहीं, but the thing, the facts that are the question में हैं वो बिल्कुल गलत facts हैं कि राजपथ पे जाके बैठे. Who sat in राजपथ? No one went and sat in राजपथ. अमित शाह मतलब होम मिनिस्टर से रेगुलर बात हो रही है.
गांधी जी की समाधि पे गए थे वो.
गांधी जी की समाधि में हम गए थे, हमारे लीडर्स गए थे, अरविंद केजरीवाल एंड मनीष सिसोदिया had gone.
तो वो धरने पे थोड़ी बैठे थे वहाँ पे.
वो जाकर एक शॉर्ट विजिट, आधे घंटे का या पौने घंटे का विजिट, टू मेक इट साउंड एज इफ दैट्स ऑल दैट दे डिड इटसेल्फ इज रबिश. आजम पहला वो रबिश तो वो है.
That is a very wrong way of putting things, It's a very wrong way, because that is not the only thing that we did. हम लोगों ने जो आप कह रहे हो ना कि एलजी के यहाँ पे क्यों नहीं बैठे, Gopal Rai ji personally along with MLAs. He was there the entire night outside LG's house. Entire night.
No, his question is that as the chief minister, how could he only do that? कि LG के पास हमें जाके
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. नहीं, that's what I'm saying कि हमें अगर दिल्ली अगर जल रही है, हमें फिर ये देखो this is my personal point that I'm saying कि हम लोग ये करके बैठे हैं कि भाई हमें हर दरवाजा खटखटाना है, दिल्ली के लिए खटखटाना है, दिल्ली के लोगों के लिए खटखटाना है. अमित शाह जी से भी हमारी रेगुलर बातचीत हुई है, पुलिस के लिए भी LG से भी हमारी रेगुलर बातचीत हुई है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट ग्राउंड पे भी हमारे खूब सारे MLAs और हर किसी को हमने एक्टिवेट किया था. पीस मार्चेस हमने निकाले थे. ओनली थिंग इज कि हमने मीडिया स्टेटमेंट्स हमने इस तरीके से हम लोग नहीं करते बिकॉज दैट टाइम द प्रायोरिटी वाज टू प्रोवाइड रिलीफ. मतलब जिन लोगों के अफेक्टेड हैं उनके लिए हमें वो बनाने हैं, शेल्टर होम्स बनाने हैं, उनको खाना देना है, उनके बच्चों की देखभाल करनी है. So that was the priority. तो हम लोग उस चीज में लगे हुए थे instead of giving statements. और हर लेवल पे हमारी इक्वली बातचीत हो रही थी. एंड सिमिलरली जहाँ पे कोविड की बात है, मरकज वाली बात है, so as soon as we got to know about the entire thing, okay, ये जो मरकज वाली बिल्डिंग है, this is just पुलिस स्टेशन है, पुलिस स्टेशन की बाउंड्री वॉल है. ओके, सो ये मतलब लगातार ये लोग मतलब बोल रहे थे, खाली करने के लिए बोल रहे थे. दे हिड द फैक्ट. और सीएम का ये कहना कि भाई तबलीगी जमात, आप ये कहना चाह रहे हैं, योर स्टेटमेंट इम्प्लाइज दैट सीएम सेड कि तबलीगी जमात की वजह से, व्हाट ही सेड एग्जैक्टली, लेट मी पुट इट टू यू. जो हमारे अगर आप स्प्लिट देखें, कैन एनीवन हियर मी?
Yes, we can. We are listening to you. Yeah, we can hear you.
हाँ. So I am saying that जितना हमारा वो था, जो मैक्सिमम हमारे जो केसेस हैं, जो आज भी सीएम ने बोला, आज भी अपने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में बोला कि मैक्सिमम दिल्ली देश की राजधानी है, तो मैक्सिमम जो हमारे केसेस हैं, पहला जो है वो मरकज के जितने लोग निकले उसके वजह से 1000-1200 केसेस हैं. 70% ऑलमोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस कंप्राइजेस ऑफ पीपल हु हैव कम फ्रॉम देयर. सेकंड बिगेस्ट स्टैटिस्टिक्स हमारे हैं जो फॉरेन से जो लोग लौटे थे उनका मतलब केसेस है. और अब हमारे जो मतलब सेकंड पार्टी कॉन्टैक्ट के थ्रू हो रहे हैं वो वाले केसेस हैं. ही डिड नॉट से कि वन पर्टिकुलर समाज की वजह से हुए हैं. ही नेवर एवर मेंट दैट.
Okay, right. Ashwati, and another thing, I think, most people do not understand that why we had to go beg before the LG was because our powers are limited. Most people still do not understand that Delhi is a half state. A lot of powers are not with us. There's still not a lot of clarity among people, even senior politicians, even journalists make this mistake that we don't have these powers. So they are assuming a lot of things.
We don't have these powers.
Yeah, they are assuming a lot of things and blaming. Asam, we can have a discussion over this later, but if there's any, I'm sure you wouldn't have got clarity 100% over it, but if any more doubts, we can always get back to us. Is there any other question?
Yeah, Vijay, this is Adi here.
Vijay, this is Adi. Adi, go ahead. Sorry.
Yeah, actually, my question is more about the opening a dialogue. As for the DDC, I know there is a fellowship, not actually fellowship. Delhi government is doubling the fund. So if any professor in any institute have any research project funded by DST or ISRO, Delhi government can match the fund. So is there any plan to allocate, give fund from our own? Maybe DDC can initiate a project to professors or students who can work on thesis and then submit the report to government. It will engage more students in the policy making process. It can be anything.
Yeah, so we have a lot of committees that are being made. Okay, so if anyone has any kind of project, so they can come to the respective. We have a lot of task force that is being made. अभी सारे paperwork में हैं because of the COVID and entire thing. सब कुछ काम रुक गया है. But after once it is lifted, we will be making a lot of making a lot of committees. A lot of people would be appointed also. So of course, I mean, कोई भी आपका proposal है, DDC is most welcome. You're most welcome to get back to us, to write to us, and we will definitely take it forward. Definitely examine it and take it forward.
Yeah, no, that is one of the way, means receiving the projects. Another way is like you open the idea and then invite the bid. It's like tender document, something.
Like, so what exactly? You need to give me an example for that.
So suppose there is a project, the flyover is supposed to be made, but there are certain considerations to be studied. So DDC can make a proposal. We need a study in this area and invite proposal from faculty members and institutes, and then say, okay, we'll fund this.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, we will have a lot of committees. Okay.
Okay.
We have a lot of committees, and similarly we have signed MOUs with a lot of good reputed universities across the globe also. ठीक है, जैसे हमारा एनवायरमेंट का जो एक प्रोजेक्ट आपने देखा होगा हार्वर्ड के साथ भी, so we have tied up with many renowned organizations, and we would like to tie up with more people also, because हम लोग we are in Delhi, but there are a lot of good things happening across the globe. How do we bring that to our state? It is only through Delhi Dialogue Commission is exactly doing that only. हम लोग, आप हमको आइडियाज भेजिए, हमको प्रपोजल्स भेजिए, एंड वेरेवर पॉसिबल विल ट्राई टू फैसिलिटेट द एंटायर प्रोसेस. बिड्स करानी होंगी, क्या अप्रोच होगा दैट कैन बी डिसाइडेड. बिड्स करानी है, एमओयू करानी है, एग्रीमेंट कराना है, क्या कराना है, that is a call that can be taken.
Okay, yeah, maybe this side can be more advertised, then people will know, and professor and other student committee will know. It will engage more people. That's all.
Right. That's a good suggestion, and we will definitely look into it.
Okay. Yes, Arjun.
Yeah, Vijaya. So, I've been listening, right? And I heard mainly about, the fake news, propaganda, all those things spreading across, right? Right. One suggestion is that, I don't know, I think most of you might know, but altnews.in, right? That's a very good source. And they provide facts and
Altnews.
Yeah.
Alt news. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
They provide, they counter all these fake news, what is spreading around, and
they
provide with facts and figures. Yeah.
Right.
So that's a very good source.
Right.
I would highly recommend, people who don't know about it. And they have, if you subscribe to them through Telegram app, you will get notification as soon as they release something new, about.
Yeah. Come to the point, Sajan. Yeah.
That's it. I'm just suggestion. That's it. No question.
Okay. So, all news we are well aware of. It's just that it's too little. I think the fake news factory is much bigger than all news.
That is true.
Yeah. So Ashwati, we're almost at the end of the call. If you have a few more minutes, we can take a couple of more questions and then we can wind up the call.
Vijaya, I have one suggestion. I just need the last 30 seconds. This is related to COVID-19. This is basically about work pressure on our health workers. What my neighboring country Denmark has done recently, because of the work pressure on nurses and doctors and the staff, they started engaging the people from airline companies, for example SAS, because airlines are completely at ground. So those who were engaged with the airlines, like the hospitality industry related people, they started engaging with them because they know how to treat the people, like in hospitality. So they started giving some basic nursing knowledge to these people. And then what they did is, whenever there was a peak and there was a lack of nursing staff, then they could utilize these people, and also they could give some kind of compensation also, because these airline companies are completely shut down these days. So it helps these people who are working on hospitality industry. Plus it gives an alternative options to the government to have a continuity in
Okay, we got that. Which city are you from?
I'm from Oslo, Norway.
Okay, Sachin. Okay, you know what? That was a suggestion for you, Ashwati. If and when we see.
That's a very good suggestion. I would just like to share a very small thing. I mean, in Delhi, what we are trying to do is we are taking hotels also into the thing for quarantine facilities and all.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello. Yeah, for quarantine facilities. Since you mentioned the hospitality industry, so we are hiring different hotels also. Just wanted to share this point with you.
Yeah.
Okay. But there was also doubts raised that in the hotels, if the doctors go and stay there, they will spread it to the hospitality industry too, to the hotels. There were some doubts raised about that. There were some doubts raised that if doctors, nurses, and healthcare workers stay in those hotels, they will spread the virus to the hotels.
No, see, the hotels and all mostly are shut. Okay, so those people who are there, हम लोग कुछ floors वगैरह we are taking over the entire floors. Okay, and then hello, हाँ मतलब जो भी doctors वगैरह nurses वगैरह हैं, they are in their full uniform, right? PPE kits and all. पूरे हॉस्पिटल्स में when they are working they are wearing that. So it is not like that कि वो वहाँ पे रहेंगे तो मतलब कोविड हो जाएगा, ऐसे कुछ है नहीं. I mean there were lot of false reports that मतलब बहुत ही बुरे रिपोर्ट्स थे कि a few nurses were harassed because they were doing the COVID duty दिल्ली में. तो हम लोगों ने कुछ केसेस में we are trying to get FIRs and all also launched in such cases. It is really unfortunate.
Okay, I think this doubts happened because there was a death of a hotel person in Mumbai. There were more cases in a hotel or some such thing. I think that's where this whole thing started. But anyway, do we have any last questions? And wind up the call. Do we have any more questions?
I just wanted to ask one question. This is Jeshwant.
Yes, sir.
Ashwath, you have seen Arvind as an activist, from activist to CM. So could you tell us, I mean, what is the difference did you find any difference between activist versus CM?
No, I don't think that there is. It's just like how we evolve into our roles. So all of us evolved into our roles, right? So that is the only thing. But basic,
so has he
he's the same
as a person.
That's what I'm saying. The basic as a person, he is the same.
Okay.
I mean, it is really surprising, but basic जो उनका core है, that is the same. He's a family man, totally. Okay, unlike the other leaders, जो कि हैं, मतलब other parties के, he's a totally committed family man. He's a great person to work with. और ऐसे बहुत ज़्यादा वो नहीं है, उनके बहुत ही, he's a very nice person.
Right.
And I don't think he's changed much over the years.
Ashwath, on a parting note, I would like our listeners to leave with a positive note about Arvind Kejriwal. There's been a lot of nonsense being spread that he has sold out to the Amit Shah model or Amit Shah, or he went to the Home Minister to sell out, or all kinds of nonsense. I just want to know from you, how much can we trust Arvind Kejriwal? To me, I think he is very trustworthy, but as somebody who has worked so closely with him, what do you think? How much can we really trust him as a person to lead us?
See, I would like to say, अगर आप अरविंद जी पे ही trust नहीं करते, then we should not be here. I mean, अगर complete trust है, so then we should follow, and trust me, he's one of the best human beings I've seen in my lifetime, and मतलब thorough मैं क्या बोलूँ, I mean, he's one of the kind. No one like him. There. He's so committed, so good. I mean, and if any one of us, अगर हल्का सा doubt भी है, then we don't have a right to be here.
Okay. Okay, thanks a lot, Ashwathi. I really wanted people to leave with that message that this man can be completely trusted. As of now, he has not given us any reason to mistrust him. All the meetings that selling out nonsense that's been going around is rubbish. There's absolutely no proof for all of that. Thanks a lot for coming on our call, Ashwathi. I know you're very, very busy, and it's been difficult to track you, but it's been totally worth it. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed being with us.
I really enjoyed being there, and I'm looking forward that if you have more queries on the Delhi government, but the politics apart, if you have like any suggestions, anything, you can always get across to me, reach me on my number, and बिल्कुल जो भी अच्छे ideas हैं, I'm most welcome. और दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट के बारे में कभी भी, if you need to talk about to anyone, I'll always be there for you.
Okay, thanks a lot for the reassuring note. Good night and good day to the rest of us here.